KevG weather overview with plenty of clouds in our way. There are clearing skies over portions of eastern Pennsylvania, but that's going to be short-lived. As you can see, more clouds are well back to the west of that. So pretty much stuck in clouds today. Central and northern New England, not so much, but clouds are in their future as well. Way off to the south over the Carolinas and Virginia, clear skies, but we are in the crosshairs of sort of a weak area of low pressure that's going to be providing the region with plenty of clouds today. And we will break out into some sunshine tomorrow, but sun will be few and far between this week, unfortunately, as we're sort of in a pattern that it looks like it's changing in a way that will promote a lot of rain here. So when we look at the Weather Prediction Center, as I often like to do, just to get a sense of what's going to fall over the next 7 days, it looks like much of the tri-state area is looking at about 3 or more inches of rain over the next 7 days. So that indicates to me that we're going to have periods of moderate to heavy rain this week and a lot of unsettled weather. So take the breaks of dry weather when you can and enjoy them. Much of today will be fine. Sunday should be a good day. Monday might be the warmest day out of the next 7, with highs getting up into the near 70. But the waves of rain that are going to move through are going to be problematic, and they're going to give us a decent soaking of rain. You can see this area of rain in a general sense stretches all the way back to the Midwest and through up into New England. So this is over the next 7 days, and this is what it looks like in a general sense from the Weather Prediction Center. Now, when we look at the day-to-day off of the forecast models, what we notice is that we're pretty much okay today. We could have a few showers move through late today into tonight, but high pressure briefly takes control tomorrow. Tomorrow looks like a nice day with that high centered just to the south of us. So we'll be getting a nice west wind. We'll have more sunshine tomorrow, and then we'll start to see showers develop late tomorrow night into Monday, especially north of the region. Then the problems start to really work into the picture Monday night into Tuesday, as we have a solid area of rain and maybe even a thunderstorm, because these temperatures are going to get up into near 70 on Monday. So we might have just enough instability to get into some thunderstorm action. This rainfall looks to be steadiest Monday evening into Tuesday morning. Now the model wants to kind of linger this area of rain. This is by 7 a.m. Tuesday, and it's printing out some pretty heavy rain. So I'd be worried about Tuesday morning commute with perhaps some local nuisance flooding, as this area of rain is stubborn to leave. And for much of the day, in fact, an area of low pressure is off the coast, but it's providing the region with periods of moderate to heavy rain through much of the day on Tuesday. And it's very slow to leave. In fact, when you look well to the east of the tri-state area, that low gets down to about 985 millibars. So even though it's way off the coast, you have a pretty intense low. So we're going to get indirect effects of this from Wednesday on. You can see the lines of equal pressure tightly packed together, and that's a raw easterly wind from this storm that's just going to kind of sit there off the coast, and I think it'll provide the region with a lot of windy weather, even though the rains may let up by the time we get into Wednesday. Now, along and about Thursday, the model wants to dry us out a bit, temperatures staying in the 50s to near 60, but then a new round of rain should develop by Friday. And this round of rain will move through Friday afternoon into Friday night. So again, as we go into next weekend, the Halloween weekend looks kind of unsettled with another area of low pressure sitting over the Ohio Valley. And that low will probably have indirect effects on the region as well as we sort of step into November. Can you believe it? November already? This is by Tuesday, November the 2nd. And you can see that there's an area of low pressure that's sitting over the Great Lakes. So the general theme by next Saturday into Sunday will be to dry us out, but that's still a ways off. So we have to hope that for Halloween we can dry it out a little bit, but I think it'll be chilly for trick-or-treat time for Saturday if you want to do it early, and then Sunday for the actual day. Temperatures not much above 60 today. Tomorrow, more sunshine. We get up into the lower 60s. Monday might be your warmest day out of the next 7, with highs around 70. Thunderstorms and rain develop late Monday into Tuesday, with much of Tuesday being problematic as far as rainfall is concerned, especially in the morning where I think it could be heaviest. Wednesday, temperatures around 60, as we sort of dry out, especially late in the day. We could have lingering showers in the morning. Thursday, we get a respite with highs around 60, and then by Friday, more rain develops for the afternoon and evening before we gradually dry it out for next weekend, late in the weekend.